See, today we are going to discuss how can we pass the journal entries in our books of account. It's very easy and simple. But before that, you have to understand what is the logic behind every journal entry. The main important terms in accounts and what is the definition of journal and how to pass the journal entries are the main points we already discussed in the last class. Today we are going to discuss how to prepare the journal entries in our books. So first transaction. Ram started business with cash rupees 50,000 is an example of a transaction in our books. Okay. See, next what you want to think. After getting a transaction, what is the next point or what is the next stage? You have to think in this transaction, how many account is going to affect? Okay, here you can see that Ram started business with cash. Okay, so here itself one account name is given already. What is that? Cash. So for mentioning that account, we are using the term how to write a cash account. C, we can write cash A/C means cash account. Who is going to start? Ram is going to start. Correct? So what Ram is doing actually? Very good. Ram is going to invest how much? 50,000 rupees. Imagine Ram is going to start a business. Name is ABC Limited. Okay. So what Ram is doing actually? Ram is going to invest how much? 50,000 rupees where? Where he is going to? In ABC Limited. Ram invested already how much? 50,000. Now who is going to record the journal entry? Ram is going to record or ABC Limited is going to record? ABC Limited. Business is going to record this entry. This is the main confusion our students are facing. Clear no? What is the confusion? Here Ram started two names. One is Ram, another one is ABC Limited. Here actually who is going to start a business? Ram is going to start. What is the business name? ABC Limited. Now you have to stand with Ram or ABC Limited. You have to think from the point of view of ABC Limited. So according to ABC Limited, what is happening in the business? Cash is coming in or out? Very good. Cash is coming into the business because who is giving? Ram. Ram is going to invest how much? 50,000 rupees into the business. So cash is coming into ABC Limited. Now one more important thing I want to tell you. In each and every transactions, at least how many account it is going to affect? At least minimum 2 accounts. More than 2 accounts transactions are also there. But now you have to think minimum how many accounts are there? Every transaction is going to affect at least 2 accounts. One is cash is clear. Second one is capital. Very good. If a person is going to invest, that investment is known as capital. So second account is capital account. Now according to the rule, we already discussed how to pass a journal entry or how can we pass a journal entry means one account anyway we need to debit and another account we need to credit. So now if I am asking a question to you, what is the logic behind? Is there any logic behind this? First one is we want to classify these two accounts in different categories. In order to record the transactions in our books of account, mainly the accounts we are going to divide into 3 categories. What are the categories? We discussed in that last class. We already completed this topic. What are the 3 categories? First one is very good. For the classification purpose, mainly accounts are divided into how many categories? 3 types of accounts. First one is real account. What do you mean by real account? All the very good. Speak. Participate. Then we can celebrate and we can go. Yes. Very good, man. All the assets are there, right? All the assets. For better understanding, we can take 1 or 2 examples. What is the first example of an asset? Very good. Cash is our asset. assets are divided into current assets and non-current assets. I am not making it complicated now itself, just for understanding. Cash is our asset, furniture is our asset. Clear, no? Yes, land and buildings are our asset, L and B. So these all are our, these all generally we can call our assets. So one rule is there related with the real account. So what is the rule of a real account? Very good. Rule of real account today itself, fix it and keep it there in your mind. Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Clear? According to real account, what is the rule? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. For better understanding, I am going to take one or two examples. See, ABC Limited, started, right? ABC Limited. So now ABC Limited is going to purchase furniture. Who is going to purchase? ABC Limited is going to purchase furniture. Okay, so please think from the point of view of ABC Limited. Purchased, what they are going to purchase? Purchased furniture. Rupees 10,000. So what is going to happen in that business? Furniture is coming into the, so according to the real account, what is the rule? Debit what comes in. So furniture account, we need to debit or credit the three main accounts: real, nominal, personal. So purchase account is an example of, think first, purchase is our asset or not? Is the purchase is our asset? No. So it will not come under real account. Okay. Nominal account means here what are the main category? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Correct? Personal account means receiver and giver. So at the time of purchase, what is happening in the business? Is this and transaction is going to affect our asset? No. Is this transaction is going to affect our receiver or giver? No. Because we are purchasing. According to ABC Limited, purchase is our, very good, purchase is our expense. So expense will comes under which category? Nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gain. According to ABC Limited, purchase is their expense. So purchase should be debited or credited? Debited. So purchase account. When we are writing journal entry, we can write like this: purchase account debtor. Two, what is another account? What are the two accounts? One is purchase account, another one is cash account. So cash will comes under real account. What is the rule according to real account? Credit what goes out. Credit what goes out. At the time of purchase, according to the rule, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So cash is going, very good, out. So two what will come? Cash account will come. Third transaction is purchased goods from Subhash. Rupees 1,000. Clear, no? So in this transaction, whenever you are getting a transaction, first you have to think cash is going to affect or not according to this transaction. Some are getting confusion because of, they are asking, sir, 12,000 is given here. So automatically this transaction is going to affect the cash account. Is it like that? No, sir. No, because it is not mentioned here whether ABC Limited is paying cash or not. Are you able to see? Is there any sentences they are related with they paid cash to Subhash? No. What is the meaning? They purchased goods, but that goods worth value is how much? 12,000. But we didn't pay that amount. So according to this transaction, cash account is going to effect or not? There is no cash account because they didn't pay any amount. So we discussed already, whenever purchase is coming, only purchase of goods, that also keep in mind, only purchase of goods, which account will come? Purchase account. So first account is clear, purchase account. Second one is, we are not paying any cash also. So which account we need to enter? We need to enter this person's account, that is Subhash. Why we are entering Subhash account in the ABC Limited? Because we are not paying now, we need to pay cash. To whom? To Subhash. After 1 month or 2 months, we need to clearly understand that to whom we need to pay, correct? Otherwise, if we are not recording Subhash in our books of account, then how it is possible? It is difficult to pay that cash to that particular person, like, correct? So when we are purchasing goods from Subhash, we need to pay cash to whom? Subhash. But we are paying or not now? No, according to the transaction, it is not mentioned that we are paying cash. So second account will come, that is Subhash account. Now please arrange these two accounts in any of the three categories. We discussed already, purchase is it our asset? No. Is it our personal account? No. Purchase will comes under nominal account. Why? Because according to the rule we discussed, according to ABC Limited, or if you are thinking from the side of ABC Limited, purchase is their expense. Correct? Correct? Yes. So what is the rule? Debit all. Very easily we can debit, like what? Purchase account debtor to Subhash account. Second account is remaining only Subhash account. If you are not thinking the rule, very easily we can write Subhash account, right? But don't write like this. There is no shortcut in our life. You have to think. Subhash will comes under real or nominal or personal. So very easily we can understand Subhash will comes under personal only because he is a person. Correct? According to the rule, what Subhash is doing? Giving the goods. When we are purchasing, Subhash is going to deliver that goods to us. Correct? He is the receiver or giver. Giver. Very good. Subhash is the giver. And who is the receiver? ABC. Very good, man. ABC Limited is the receiver. ABC Limited is going to receive goods from. Very good. So according to ABC Limited, Subhash is very good giver. So rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. So Subhash account should be credited. When we are going to purchase goods from a person, here from where we are going to purchase? Subhash. So we are the receiver. So that's why we need to credit it Subhash account. So the next transaction we are going to discuss, that is purchased furniture for cash. After getting a transaction, students are directly going to write purchase account is the first account. Purchase account, because before the first two transactions we discussed already, whenever purchases are coming, we are going to enter first purchase account. But according to this transaction, is it going to affect the purchase account? Why? Very good. Purchase account will come only when we are purchasing goods. Whenever we are going to purchase goods, that time only what will come? Purchase will come. Otherwise, whenever we are, see here what we are going to purchase? Furniture. Furniture is our very good asset. Whenever we are going to purchase assets, we have to mention the name properly. Here what is asset? Furniture. So which account this transaction is going to affect? Furniture account only, not purchase account. Yes. And imagine, suppose we are going to purchase land. Purchase land and building, imagine. So purchase will come or land and building will come. What will come? Land and building will come. Name of the asset only we need to enter into our books of account. Don't write purchase. Clear? What is the logic? Because purchase is only for purchase of goods, not for asset. Yes. So then what is the first account this transaction is going to affect? That is furniture account. Second one, already cash is mentioned here. So directly we can write the second account which is going to affect, that is very good, cash account. Furniture account is an example of real, nominal or personal. Connect it fast, connect it fast. Furniture is our, very good, here already I mentioned furniture is our asset. So it's an example of which account? Real account. What is the rule? Very good, debit to what comes in, credit to what goes out. Journal entry is debit to what comes in. So cash, we know whenever we are purchasing, automatically either we will purchase on credit, otherwise we will pay cash. Here what is happening? We paid cash to whom? To the seller. Cash will go out from the business. So what is the rule? Credit to what goes out. What is going out? Cash. So second account is cash account. Cash account should be credited. Entry is clear? What is entry then? Furniture account debtor to cash account. Transaction we are going to discuss, that is sold goods for cash. Very easily we can understand. First account, that is what? Cash. We sold goods for cash. So this transaction is going to affect account number 1, that is cash account. They sold what? Goods. And is it possible to write goods account?
No, sir.
No, there is no goods account is there in the business. So instead of that, I told you either purchase or sale. So what is happening here? Sold. So is there any sold account?
No.
No. So instead of that, what will come?
Sale.
Very good. Sales account is the first account. Second one is we discussed already, cash account. Or cash or sales, no problem, whatever it is. Now you have to classify these two accounts. Sales account is an example of
Nominal.
real, nominal or personal.
Nominal account.
See, real is all the asset, sales is not our asset. So sales is not any connected with any persons because no persons names are here. And other than that, what is there? Sales account is related with the nominal account, because according to, from the point of view of ABC Limited, sales is their income. Clear? No, they are getting money or they are going to earn from these sales. So sales, what is the rule? According to nominal account, what is the rule?
Credit all incomes and
Very good. Credit all incomes and gains, because sales is comes under the category incomes and gains. What is how to think from the point of view of ABC Limited? ABC Limited sold goods to whom? Sold goods to, no name is there, no problem. Sold goods to, imagine any particular person. What they are going to do? They are going to pay cash to us. So according to the point of, from the point of view of business, what is happening? Cash is coming into the business. So what is the rule? Debit what comes in. So cash is coming in or going out? Coming in. So debit is clear. So see, according to this, it is very easy to pass the journal entry. Debit is here and credit. So what is the debit? Cash. So entry will be cash account debtor to sales account. Please rethink once again all the transactions. Today we discussed the first 5 transactions, which is going to affect our books of account. Prepare it and come. Rest of the journal entries we will discuss in the next class.